Hello everyone. I am assuming that you have already attempted the question. But if not, please pause and try it. Now to solve this question, we need to know three things. First, what is absolute function? Second, how to solve absolute equation. And finally, to solve absolute inequality. Okay then, welcome to Concept Crunch. Let's start the video. First of all, this is the way of writing the absolute function. Now, it does not matter what number you input inside this function, whether positive or negative, but it always gives you a positive output. Let's see. Input minus 8, we will get 8 as output. Input 4, get 4 as output. Input minus 5, 5 as output. Input 7, 7 as output. Solve this equation by yourself and comment the answer. Let's solve the absolute equation. Here, we are getting output as 7 plus 7. That means this input x can be plus 7 or can be minus 7. Or to better do it quickly, just put positive negative before the constant 7. That's what you have to do every time. Now as a practice, you can solve this and comment the answer. Let's try next question. Again in this question, just put positive negative before the constant negative 3. And if you simplify it, positive times negative is negative. Negative times negative is positive. So we get negative positive 3, which is same as positive negative 3. Okay, let's increase the difficulty level now. Again in this one, first step, put positive negative sign before the constant 2. Now to get x, subtract 4 from both sides. We get x as negative 4 plus minus 2. Split this positive negative separately as negative 4 plus 2 or negative 4 minus 2. After simplification, we get x as negative 2 or x as negative 6. For practice, solve this equation by yourself and comment the answer. Now finally, we reached our question of absolute inequality. First of all, make it into an equation. Put positive negative before the constant 6. Add 12 both sides. We get 2x equals to plus 12 plus minus 6. Split positive negative separately as 2x equals to 12 plus 6 or 2x equals to 12 minus 6. Solve them individually. Divide both sides by 2. We get x as 9 or x as 3. Right now, maybe you're thinking that the solution is over, but it's not. There is a surprise. Yes, number line. Number line is the surprise. Now divide this number line into intervals by x values 3 and 9 that we got after simplification. In doing so, we get 3 intervals. First, this yellow one, then the middle pink one, and the last blue one. Now you have to follow a two-step process for each interval. And what is that process? Step 1. Pick any random test value from the interval. Step 2. Verify the given inequality and state whether it is true or false. Let's pick yellow interval where x is more than 9. Again, we'll follow the two-step process. Step 1. I'm picking the test value, any random test value. I'm picking test value as 10 here. Step 2. Verifying the inequality by plugging x as 10, simplifying it, and we got 8, which is greater than or equals to 6, and it is true. Now let's take the middle pink one, where x is in between 3 and 9. Again, step 1, picking the test value, which is 6 here. Second, verifying the inequality by plugging the x as 6. So 2 times 6 minus 12 inside the absolute function, simplifying it, got 0, which is not greater than or equals to 6. Therefore, it is false. Now the last interval, where x is less than 3. Picking the test value again, x as 1. Plugging it to verify. After simplification, we got absolute of negative 10, which is just 10. And 10 is greater than or equals to 6. Thus, it is true. So, inequality follows when x is greater than or equals to 9 or x is less than or equals to 3. Thus, final solution is x less than or equals to 3 or x greater than or equals to 9. And the same solution can also be written in interval form. On the number line, from negative infinity to 3, and since 3 is included, that's why we have used the close parenthesis here. And for or, you will use union sign, then close parenthesis, 9 to infinity. Although the solution is over, but to honestly understand it and to check whether you have fully understood it or not, you can do this problem as a practice. After doing it, you can check the whole solution of this question as well as the previous questions from the PDF given in the description below. Comment whether you have got the same answer as in PDF. And finally, if you want the same understanding for all your doubtful topics, or you want to do a full course with me, or need any school homework help, you can directly join me in a one-to-one session. You can contact me on my WhatsApp or on my email given in the description. Alright, see you with a new topic in a new video. Thank you.